Hi, it's my new camera. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lorcutt. So today I'm actually going to be showing you a day in the life of a video editor while in quarantine. This would be a regular for me, except that I would be probably at a cafe or something doing this. I try not to be in my house as much, but since we are in quarantine, I just created a little office here for myself. So I'm just gonna bring you along the day with me. Let's get into the video. What's up guys, live from my new camera. I actually got up very, very early this morning. It is 8:44. This morning I woke up around 6 a.m. I just have a couple things I have to do today that I actually wanna take you guys along with me so you guys can see just like the whole experience while I'm in quarantine of just how I'm doing everything. I did a 15-minute meditation. I just worked out for 20 minutes on the Peloton and I'm about to make myself a smoothie. I have to shower, I have a meeting, I have to edit, then I have a video that I have to film tonight, and then I'm editing again.
Oh, hi, Beebs.
I'm gonna shower and get ready for my meeting because it is a video call. I am about to attend my Zoom meeting. My doggos came up here because I have food. So I'm actually going to be starting a new project. I do a lot of my videos like 2 weeks in advance because I get really, really stressed out with all of my clients' work and my schoolwork and everything. So I want to make sure that I have videos in advance so I'm not like freaking out like the week of. So I'm gonna start that now. I'm getting a call. Hello?
Hello. This is an apology call from your electric utility.
So right now, I'm actually syncing the audio with the video. I use a different mic than what's on my camera because I use a Blue Yeti mic. Honestly, this is the most challenging part because if it is even like a little millisecond off, it bothers me. Okay, so I obviously changed. I'm actually going to be showing you how I edit my videos. So I'm gonna be showing you where I get my music from, the fonts that I use, where I get them from, how I can convert my MP3, MP4 files, and all of that awesome jazz. Okay, so the first place where I go to get my music for my videos is on YouTube. There's a bunch of copyright-free music and I personally prefer lo-fi. It's like a nice background soothing music and it won't really disturb your video. So I either go to chill out, there's a bunch of copy-free music from this account, or if you don't like lo-fi, there's another account on YouTube called Audio Library. They have honestly a little bit of everything and all of these other artists that make this music, and then all you have to do is just put their link in the description of your video, so that works as well. You can always also just type in copyright free music and a bunch of stuff pops up that don't even have accounts. So you can just scroll, and once you've found like the music of your choice, I'm just gonna go to this one for example. Oh, that's an ad. You go to copy, and like in the last video that I did for the green screen tutorial, you go to YT MP3, you copy and paste it, and you press convert and download. And if you want to do another one, just press convert next. If you want to do a video, do MP3 file instead. And for the fonts in my videos, I tend to cycle through them a lot because I like to just play around with the videos and play around with my thumbnails too. So the website that I go to is dafont.com, and there's literally everything. You can just automatically download it. It'll upload to your editing software, which I think is pretty awesome. But yeah, you could put in any font that you want. If you know exactly which font that you want, you can just put in like I like Monorsat. So you can literally just go here and it'll tell you all the ones that they have. I usually go to this one, but there is like Font Monkey and stuff like that. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below to subscribe to this channel. And also press the bell for the post notifications so you can see every time I upload every single Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.